Semenyo to Manchester City is a done deal. It's a done deal. That's the reason why I love Manchester City a lot. They know they're doing cho. If they're going to buy a player, they're going to buy it clean. Since this day, we never hear about Manchester City in the race. We only hear about Liverpool want to buy Semenyo. We only hear about Chelsea want to buy Semenyo. We only hear about Arsenal want to buy Semenyo. We only hear about Tottenham Sports. But immediately Man City enter the race, they do it sharp. But we have to say the truth. Because I love Manchester City, I'm going to talk truth. Manchester City na be wicked person. Only this season where Arsenal want to win this Premier League, and we see say Arsenal is the right team, right club to win this title. Arsenal get anything to win this thing, to win this Premier League. They qualify, they get a lot of players, they get quality squad. But guess what? Manchester City still won't do anything they want to spend the money. As they say they get little chance, they want to capitalize the chance. That's the reason why they want to buy Semenyo this January. I know it's Arsenal, watch your back. You must be very careful because Man City is they are wicked club. Man City is a wicked club. I swear to God with me. They don't want Arsenal to succeed at all. Any season that you want to be like, say, Arsenal want to win this thing. Now that season, Man City they sabi how to play ball. Now that season, Man City they sabi how to win trophy. Manchester City, na be wicked club.